When solving ama-ancestral problems ethu, ngiyayithanda lento yokucombine ama-methods whereby you take the ancestral route of doing things and combining it with the astrological method of solving ama-problems and understanding inkinga esibhekana nazo emhlabeni. We are not saying ukuthi i-astrology into engaziwa. I-astrology into ebabeyisebenzisa kudala abantu abadala besebenzisa ilanga nenyanga nomkhathi nazo zonke ezinye izinto. Manje thina esingasazazi because masisi sibuka i-astrology sibona sengathi into entsha, kanti into abebenayo it's just that bona they weren't as scientific, bebeyenza because of ama-downloads abefika kubona automatically. Inkinga yenzeka-ke phela ngesikhathi sekufika inkolo-ke baphucwa leyo knowledge yabo okwenza ukuthi ilahleke iduke. Manje makuqhamuka i-astrology sengazi ukuthi into entsha kanti bebenayo lento beyi-track-a ngokwabo. So when you have problems and you find ukuthi awasolveki, mina I always advise ukuthi try and combine these two methods. It's nothing foreign indaba ye-astrology. Combine it so that uzoba precise in terms of solving your problems. Uzokwazi ukuthi ubreak ama-generational cases. Uzokwazi ukuyi-tracker back from your birth chart, i-soul journey yakho ukuthi isukaphi iyaphi. And then you take it kwi-present moment ukuthi okay manje ngila ama-planetary positions wami kanje, naku la engithatha khona engisa khona in the future. This is what I need to expect. This is my potential. When understanding iy'nkinga zakho from that point of view, yenza lento ukuthi ubese uya-understanda nangawo ama-ancestors wethu ukuthi kahle kahle laphaya emsamo we need to cleanse and release them so that we can see a bigger picture ukuthi sonke sidalwe uNkulunkulu. Umdala uNkulunkulu okuyena odale ama-planets lawa esikhuluma ngawo, wadala i-universe, wadala nakho konke. So when we release them, we're releasing abantu abadala so that they can go back to the source and rejoice and rest in peace literally, and then thina we can be able to follow soul purpose yethu for this lifetime. Uma sisakhuluma ngey'nkinga zama-planets kanjalo, I think kubalulekile ukuthi sikhulume ngokuthi at the present moment we have i-full moon ezayo ngomhla ka-12 kaMeyi ezobe kwi-sign ye-Scorpio ezos-affecta sonke empilweni zethu. We just need to be aware because izobe ithinta indaba zika-Venus. uVenus uhambisana ne-passion. Wena kulezo y'nkinga zakho nazo zama-ke ukuthi ungathatha ama-decisions hastily ngoba uzongena ey'nkingeni ngezinto zako-passion. So be careful and be mindful of what you do. Abantu baka-Gemini bona baya-adviswa ukuthi bazame ukuthi emsebenzini or kuma-relations abanawo bathi think before they act, bathi take time to calm themselves and meditate because izobashaya ngokuthi babe anxious kakhulu ngoba kuzobe kunanama-secrets azobe revealwa because of Scorpio nama-positions ama-planets azobe emi ngakhona. But let us use this full moon to transform our lives and allow i-universe ukuthi yenze lokho efuna ukwenza ngey'mpilo zethu, thina singajahi kakhulu, singabi hasty kakhulu endleleni yethu. Also abantu baka-Gemini ngomhla ka-14 kaMeyi kuzongena uJupiter okuyiguru yethu, kuwubaba wethu thina baka-Gemini. Ufana nomuntu owubaba kithina because of i-relationship yakhe uJupiter noMercury. uMercury kuyena ophethe i-sign yaka-Gemini. Kumele ukuthi simthande, simnakekele ngoba uzobe efikile, sibike lokho esifuna ukubika kuyena, sikhalaze ngaloko sikukhalaza ngako. But uzobe eshesha ngoba usually uhlala isikhathi ngangonyaka, but this time uzohlala kancane, ahamba aye kwi-Cancer ngabo-October, mid-October, aphinde enze i-retrograde abuyele kwi-Gemini for a bit. Kodwa for now njengoba ezobe esafikile, we need to be happy. Sizama ukumsebenzisa because uJupiter is a planet enkulu kakhulu, uyi-planet of expansion. Mefikile uyathanda ukukhulisa leyo nto wena onayo leyo nto yenzayo njengamanje. So as uGemini zibuza ukuthi wena ubhizi ngani, ama-energies akho athini, ama-feelings and emotions akho athini njengamanje, because whether you have a negative or positive energy uzofika i-expande. Yes, uzowathinta namanye ama-sign but not as much as uzothinta uGemini because uzobe hamba kwi-sign yaka-Gemini for now. Abanye bazothinteka ngendlela yabo, but I think all of us sizoba happy kakhulu uma esengene ku-Cancer because u-Cancer ila ethanda ukuhlala khona-ke uJupiter. But for now as understand ukuthi ama-problems esinawo singawasolva noma engayiphi inhlobo, I mean ama-problems esinawo singawasolva noma engayiphi indlela esithuze ukuwasolva ngayo. But it is advisable as far as I'm concerned to combine these two methods, i-ancestral way of doing things ne-astrological way of doing things. I-astrology singayithathi-ke njengento foreign, like I said before. Let us try and learn it. It gets complicated, I know, but once you get the hang of it, uziphusha wena kuyona because into oyenzayo nento oyizwayo nento oyifundayo uyayibona iyenzeka. Lento yenza ukuthi ube firm, ube safe, ube confident futhi ukuthi I am on the right track because lento le engiyizwayo into engiyitsheliwe. Akufani nento otshelwa into kodwa ujike ungabe usayibona.